Alright, we're gonna check out Collins Creek Cascade. There's supposed to be some good trout fishing over here too. We're just on the other side of a natural dam. Not natural dam. We're on the other side of Greers Ferry Dam. And the Cascade's just supposed to be right down here. Come on. Check it out. So you turn on Hatchery Road right after you get past the dam. Go about 0.4 miles, and then that's where the parking area is at. I would do time lapse, but this is right down here.
If someday serving